Today I'm going to show you how to restore your broken iPod. So when I turn on my iPod, it says use iTunes to restore. And this is how you restore your iPod correctly. However, certain iPods such as the iPod Nano and the iPod of 5th generation have a black and white style use iTunes to restore screen. Step 1. Turn on your iPod, and when the Apple logo appears, wait until the Use iTunes to Restore screen appears. Step 2. Plug in your 30-pin iPod connector and wait till the screen says Do Not Disconnect in a black and white style. Step 3. In iTunes, click on Restore iPod, since it's the only option you can do, and click on Restore. Then a group of software updates and terms and conditions as well as licenses come up. Agree to all of them before you restore. When iTunes is restoring your iPod, this is what will happen. The iPod will restart, you'll get the Apple logo, then the Apple logo from the iPod 5th generation, and then a progress bar will appear underneath. The restore should take about at least 20 seconds or longer. Your iPod will restart once again, and then it will take you to the language screen, and then you will choose your language, and then your iPod is ready to go, and you can use it once again. For the iPod Classic 6th generation, if you interrupt the restore, it will say use iTunes to restore in black and white, but however, it will still start into the normal OS. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this tutorial. See you guys next time.